Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is Cheryl with CNC. Are we there yet? If you follow our travels, you will know that we are traveling in the Caribbean. CNC are on the move. I'm about to lose my suitcase, but it's sliding downhill. Have to keep an eye onto it. We are heading to the Caribbean for 2 months.
Yeah.
Yes, St. Martin, Saba, not just the Caribbean, but home to Saba for a while. And we're going to be island hopping while we're there as well. So, stay tuned. Follow the adventures of CNC. Right now we are on the island of Saba, my birthplace. And we have been getting this question quite often, and it has inspired today's video. The question is, how do we subscribe to your channel? So we decided to put this tutorial together for you with a step-by-step how to subscribe to our channel. So follow us for this tour.
I'm taking my chances along with my dreams.
Subscribing to YouTube is fairly easy, and we are going to help walk you through the process. But before we get started, we wanted to go over the benefits of subscribing to YouTube. After you subscribe, you can search through our videos if you're looking for a specific destination or a specific restaurant or a place we've visited. It will be easy to just search through our videos, our playlists. Next is that you can hit that notification bell. After you have hit the notification bell, you will be notified every time we release new content. Every Sunday at 4 o'clock, we release a new video. So after you've subscribed and hit the notification bell, you will not miss these weekly videos. And on another topic, if you subscribe to multiple channels, you can organize your subscriptions. If you're looking for a specific, like a cooking channel or something specific like a workout channel, you can go into your subscriptions now and find these videos much easier once you subscribe. So this tutorial will not only help you subscribe to our channel, but it will also help you subscribe to channels that maybe you couldn't figure out how to subscribe to before, and something that you really want to follow. So follow us now for a tutorial on how to subscribe. Let's get started by heading over to youtube.com, and the right top corner you can sign in, and this will take you to the page where you can add your email address and create an account. If you do not have an email address because Google owns YouTube, you can now create an email address on this page. You just add your information in here. You will create a username, a password. Make sure everything works out. If you get red errors, you'll need to correct them because your password will need to be 8 characters. So just make sure you have all this information correctly in here. You click next and it will take you, after you make your corrections and you click next, it will take you to your phone number, which is actually optional, but you will need to complete your date of birth and your gender. After this is completed and you click next and make sure that the year of birth is the complete year of birth, otherwise you will need to correct that as well. This will then take you to the privacy and terms. Once you hit I agree, that's it. You now have a YouTube account. And at this point, you can search for C space and C. Are we there yet? Once you pull up our page, you can just head on over to the subscribe button, hit subscribe, there you go, done. And now you have access to all our videos and we have a new subscriber. Thank you very much. As a side note, when the notification tab pops up, if you click allow, this will notify you on all our weekly videos. And now you have access to our full library of videos. You can search places we've been to, restaurants, national parks. If you have any questions, please drop us a comment and we'll be happy to help you out. Now that you've subscribed, we would like to thank you. We want to thank you for your continued support, subscribing, hitting that like button, hitting the notification, leaving us a comment. All of this helps our channel to grow and to continue to bring you content. So we thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. And now that you have subscribed and hit that notification bell, stay tuned to our Caribbean series.